Starting with just £150 a month might not sound like much, but compound interest can turn that into a life-changing sum. The secret: time. The earlier you begin, the harder your money works for you. Compound interest means you earn returns on your returns. Over decades, that £150 monthly contribution can snowball into over £65,000. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. For young savers, this is your greatest advantage. Start now, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.